Hello you guys! It's a very exciting Saturday because guess what we're doing? We are officially starting home decorating, home decor, painting, all of it. I just ordered some prints. I found these on Etsy, so I bought 4 of them. How can I show you this better here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they all go together very well. They also match really well with the paints that I've picked out. I just put in an order to have them printed at Walmart for the 11 by 14 sizes, so those should be ready this afternoon. I'm gonna order the frames from Amazon. They have a 5-pack for 50 bucks. I think that's a good deal, 10 per frame for like big 16 by 20 frames. Okay, so since that's all ordered, I want to show you what paint colors I landed on. I'm so excited. I love them. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen them, but I'm gonna show again our color palette. Oh, I love it so much. This green is mostly gonna be used for the bathrooms because I'm gonna do like a green, white, and dark gray in the bathrooms. The blue, I think, can honestly go anywhere in the house because the walls have like a blue tinge in them, and I think that's pretty. And then the pink is going to be used in the 2 bedrooms because this matches identically with the pillows I have in the bedrooms and the paintings I have in the guest bedroom. It looks not pink at all on camera. It looks like the wall, but it's pink. I promise. You can see it up against this. I'm so excited. I'm gonna start some kind of paint project today, but I don't know which one yet, so I need to figure that out. I'm thinking I'll do a bathroom since I have frames and photos for a bathroom now. Maybe I'll just do one whole bathroom. I know I'm getting ahead of myself. Bear with me here. This kitchen cabinet here, it's like a dark brown, okay? Picture this. Yeah, green. I want to do it so bad. I think that is so gorgeous, and I think it would be kind of okay with the countertop too. I don't love our countertops. They look yellow to me, but like for step 1, you know, I think we could paint the cabinets. Zachary doesn't want me to paint the cabinets because he's scared I'll ruin them, but I'm thinking about buying a piece of like 2x4 at the store so I can just like practice sanding it, repainting it, see how it goes so I can practice. Then I'll move to the cabinets in the bathrooms to do those, do the kitchen last, so I'll be like a professional, right? And then all these colors match this wood as well. All of our furniture downstairs is this color. It's like a very, very dark brown, practically black, so all of this matches too. Yeah, I'm feeling it today. I've got to go get ready so I can go get paint. Silly old me left my paint swatch at home, but thank the Lord that it is an easy name to remember because it's Privilege Green. Hey guys, I got my paint. It's the Privilege Green that we were talking about. It's a Sherwin-Williams color. Got a giant sponge. I couldn't find just like a regular dish sponge that didn't have that coarse edge. So I bought this one. I'm just gonna cut it in half and then I'll use this side to do the stamping. Got a little paint can opener and I have a tray in the garage, so I will grab that. Then I got these 2 things for probably not today, but something I'll probably work on this week so I can practice on wood so that I can do these cabinets. I kind of got Zachary to agree to let me do it if I practice. So I bought this just like piece of wood that I'll practice sanding. I have some old paint. I can practice painting with it, resand it, put another color on, just like get practice going. So I just bought this sanding pack. I read online that you should do like 100 or 120 and then go over it again with like a 200 or something. I don't really know. I just grabbed this because I saw it and I was like, oh, perfect. That'll be good for practicing. This is what we are starting with. I'm gonna be doing this wall right here. I'm not even gonna tape, honestly, because I'm using a sponge and I'm not gonna be near the edges. I'm gonna put some plastic down like over the toilet and stuff just in case. And we're gonna get to work. Okay, I did kind of like a rough cut job on this sponge. This will be the side that I use to stamp the wall with, and I think I'm gonna do like a tester on a piece of paper just to make sure I like the shape. Otherwise I can grab a new piece. Guys, this was actually like the easiest project I've ever done. It was so simple. I'm not gonna give you a full view until we have everything else because I want to put the shelves back up and our new photos will be ready to hang in a few days. So I will see you then. Today's the day. I picked up these prints from Walmart a couple days ago. It's finally time to use them. I got these frames off Amazon. It was a 5-pack for 50 bucks, which is a super good deal. It comes with the stuff we need on the back to hang it. I'll link that down below for you guys in case you're looking for some white frames. I think they come in a bunch of colors. And then these pictures, I purchased the prints off of Etsy and then had them printed at Walmart, so I can link the photos for you too. I don't think I'm going to use all of them in this one room that we're doing because the background color on them is different. There's like this little leaf design, this one with like the flowers in the glass jar, this one with the hands holding the flower. Lastly is this one, some more little stem in the jars, and this one has like a yellowy tinted background where the rest of them are white. Yeah, I thought those prints were super pretty neutral and basic colors, so I'm gonna go ahead and frame. I'm gonna frame all 4 of them even though I'm only about to use 2 of them. I did it, but I did it upside down. Oh no! Is it gonna move around like that? No, sir. Sadly, this is what's happening with the pictures because the frames have the mat around them, so I knew that the picture size I got, hi cutie pie, I knew that the picture size I ordered would fit, but I didn't think about the logistics of it like moving around because it's just the right size of the opening. So these 3 are looking sad, but I did find a solution, which I tested out on this one. I just stuck, on the back side, I just stuck a piece of tape on the top and the bottom so that it won't move around. I guess I'll be doing that to the other 3, and then you can really see here in the light now that that one has a yellowish tinge to it, and this one definitely has a yellowish tinge, so I'll be using that one and that one. Guys, we're so close to being done. I'm so excited. This is literally going to be the first room in the house to be completely done, even though we've been living here for a year and a half, over a year and a half now. It's so crazy. It's almost done, but I have to make a quick run to the store because there's one area that I just spaced when I was thinking about stuff to buy. This spot right here is just a little compartment hole thing in a mirror, and I have nothing to put here. It just looks blank. I want to put something there. I'm thinking some greenery, maybe some pops of white to pull all the colors together of the room. So I'm gonna head out to Target in hopes that they will have something to fill that space, and if not, then I'll shoot over to HomeGoods. But fingers crossed we will find something and this room can be completed today. Okay, you guys, I think it's time time. I won't lie, I didn't find much at Target or HomeGoods, so there's a little spot that still needs a little something, but I want to get this video done and out for you guys, so just leave that one little spot to your imagination. But let's think back to what this bathroom looked like before. We had plain gray walls, we had 3 shelves with plants and toilet paper on them. That was kind of it. So are you guys ready for the big reveal? Dun 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 dun. When you first open the door, you see these 2 gorgeous prints. I'm so happy with them. I did that sponge technique on the wall, took one of the shelves down. We will be painting over that, just ignore it. I reorganized the shelves, so they're super cute. I added, so this is a new soap dispenser. I wanted to get an all white one because the one I had was clear. You could see the color of the soap. And if the color of the soap doesn't match the room, I don't want it. So I got one that I can use any color of soap, it won't matter. These 2 candles are cute here. I got a little ring dish that says I love you. It's so cute, so people can take their rings off to wash their hands. And this is our empty space here. I just set this here for the meantime, just some little scent cubes to put in here, but this spot is empty. But other than that, that is our bathroom. I love it, and I think we're just gonna leave this wall blank because this door is open 95% of the time, so I don't want to like put something behind the door. I think that would be silly. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Let me know what you think, or what you think I should add in that little spot. I'm super happy with it and I can't wait to do the other rooms. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.